Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be talking about doing job as a translator. Isn't that really nice? Because if you are bilingual, you can just try upon this one. Doing translation will get you a good amount of money. So without dragging, we'll just start off with the video. I'll be showing you the website now. The website we are going to look on is 1 Hour Translation, and in this website you will be earning a lot as a translator. You just have to sign up and create your profile. You will get a lot of translation work from the top rated companies like this: Amazon, Google, Udemy, and lots of other websites are out there for you. So you will be getting projects to translate it according to the language that you have chosen. You will get the amount of projects may differ. So when you get it, you will have to start off with it, but before getting into those jobs, you have to verify your account. You have to give your personal details and other identity cards, and then you will get verified personally from the 1 Hour Translation team. And then you'll let inside this dashboard where you will be getting all your projects. And here, one thing I have to tell you is that the review process is bit critical. And if you, even after the submission of a project, even after one review, you might lose your reviews because of the second one, because if someone else finds error in your work, you might end up leading to some lowest review or lowest star rating. So be careful with that. You have to always provide a good amount of work, and good reviews are more important to get more jobs. So before going on with the other part of the video, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now we'll look upon the other part of this video, where how to apply and what all the methods of payment you will be getting. So in this 1 Hour Translation, it's really simple to get paid. They will be providing you a separate MasterCard where instant payments will be done into that card, and you can spend it anywhere in this world. It's that easy. You don't have to connect any account. They will be directly paying your amount to that MasterCard. They are providing it. And now starting up on this is that you have to take upon some online tests. They will be giving you for the specific language that you have chosen. If you are bilingual or multilingual, whenever you are updating your profile with the whatever translations you can do, they will be giving you some tests. You have to qualify for that, and the personal team will review your application, and they will get you on board. And after that, you have to do some simple task, which is actually low paid as far as I know about it. The payment will be low for menial task, and whenever you are getting good reviews and 5-star ratings, your profile will get a chance to do huge projects where you can earn a lot. But here, review is really important, guys. So make sure you get good reviews and do a good amount of job, because it will affect your future projects also. So now I'll be showing you just a gist of how you have to get started off. Click on the Join Translator. You will be redirected to enter your personal information. Once you have done your personal information and everything set up, the person, you'll have to give up a small test, and then a person will be reviewing you. After that, you will straight away get into the dashboard where you can see all the jobs. So you have to be very sure about the languages you are going to choose, because choose only the language that you are very known and very familiar, because it affects your profile as a whole. And as far as I know, in IT and technical translations, you might get a lot of jobs comparing with the other one. So that's all, guys. This is a great option. You can try it out. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and we'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.